Thank you everyone 哎唱一首来 Very good
Hello， 大家好，我是大头。我们给三条兄弟啊，卡卡他的房子建造呢，也有好几个月的时间了。这几个月呢，真的很开心，就是每天见证着这个房子的变化，以及来自于国内很多，哎呀，也可以说是专业人士吧，他这样的评论。卡卡的房子除了建造慢一点之外，其他的真的是没毛病。我对房子是一点建造都不懂，反正我就跟他们说。我在建之前，我的预算是充足的，就往好了建。很多朋友就专业的朋友们就看了之后，发现这房子建的确实没毛病，那我就很开心啊。然后看了卡卡新发来的视频，发现哎，又到了发薪日了。现在发薪日跟以前不一样了，这几个月这房子建造以来呢，我们都是按照着7天干7天就发一次薪。后来呢就雨季了嘛，大家虽然说也去每天去盖房子，一下雨盖不了，每天盖个1个小时、2个小时，就觉得哎呀，我们干几天凑够1天的时间算1天。然后现在10几天过去了，又到了一个这个发薪日，所以说后来我也拿不准到底是哪天是发薪日了。我本来想着到了发薪日的时候就是准备大餐嘛，因为大家盖房子确实是很给力、很用心，对卡好，也就相当于对我跟小刀好。我想着准备了大餐，我都已经想好了要买什么了。结果发薪日当天他们也没通知我，不然的话卡肯定要买这些好吃的，大家一起庆祝一下。那么我们一起看一下这个房子的进展以及发薪的过程吧。
Hello， 大家好，我是这个，兄弟们，感谢，谢谢。From space almost opening space, clean job start 兄弟们 ，very pure, very beautiful, all everything opening. Okay, let's go. So pa.
Mete makalo. Good morning. Almost a program every is almost a job opening to them every year family.
This product almost a kamiyat hate. Hi brother, good morning. This 20 bag. Hi today, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, that almost water opening this here and this all everything is processing of this. Hi Abdul Good morning. It's almost 20 bag, huh?
Yes.
20 bag. This morning time 10 bag. This 10 bag. 20 bag, okay?
Okay.
Okay, nice. 20 bag, how much? Almost 10,500 taka. This how much tricycle this was 300 taka, right? Okay, ঠিক আছে?
Yes.
Okay, bye bye.
Shundi maje just for looking almost
almost this side Pago everywhere before is a clean job, okay, finishing job, okay. Almost mining almost every side. My brother Jado people is my brother for this looking almost very nice. Finishing the yes, finishing job. Almost okay, nice. Almost all everything. Thade worker people কতজন job করেছেন বাবা মামা? 6 জন, 6 people.
বাবা মামা পাওয়ার
নো পাওয়ার
হ্যাঁ
বৃষ্টি থেকে ভালো আছে
বৃষ্টিতে ভালো আছে ইনশাআল্লাহ
Very good. Neuro food clean শুনতে না যায় this people neuro food. Nice শুনতে না যায় that's for looking very good. For looking I'm getting some most of the time. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. It's almost a winner. It's good. Every side.
Money home almost টিফিন খাওয়া
This is almost money. Almost a টিফিন খাওয়া শুনতে হয়. We are family just for looking. Okay. Let's go. Breakfast. Milk plus 1 piece. How much? 10 taka.
Yes.
Milk plus.
খুব সুন্দর
Very nice. Wow, ফিয়া ডাঙা ওইটা শুনি না মেরি বাতাস হ্যাঁ রুঙ্গি উঠতেছে বাতাসে বারে for this খাওয়া sipan this tami this is for this chero chicken potato chajo this for this almost আমার নাম বেগুন। Yes, Bangladesh country almost weather is very good, right? Water no, very hot. Thade almost mining home, every work is 7 day. Thade is 7 day. Thade is how much money do they? Oh, hello sir. This is for this I'm going to almost this side, okay? My to sago, no problem. Shundi me almost lunch. My this come here. This Thai uncle almost no looking. It's almost looking. Every year family just by looking. Okay. It's how much kilo? Wow. Say. It's how much kilo? 30 kilo. Shouldn't they? This doggy looking. Shouldn't they? Doggy might this come here. Doggy this follow me. Ogo ma Abdulamo. কি অবস্থা? সব ঠিকঠাক আছে তো? Okay, nice. Very good. Tiadanga. Shundi me almost looking. This is a view. I'm going to very like Shundi. Clean, okay. Go to this lunch cover, right?
Right.
Nice. Almost lunch opening. Good. Ogoma.
Mama,
Save করবেন না?
one more.
Clean হবেন না?
আজকে how many?
আজকে হাও মানে? আজকে হাও মানে নিয়ে clean করবেন?
Yes. 1, 2,
Oh yes.
3,
Wow.
4,
Good.
5,
Okay.
6, 7 days.
Wow. Good. Bagoma, nice. Titi. Oh, Titi this is Tami. Oda ki? Thai uncle? Hot. For this wait, okay, please. You come out, okay, no problem. Noon. This is name Thai uncle. Noon. Lobon, Bangla name. Shundi me jeme. Chinese name Iya. Iya. Everybody, thank you so much. For this, you everyone say very good job. My brother, Tata Shado Bigger is not late.
Thank you, brother.
Thank you for this everyone. Cheers! Kawa, kawa. Chicken, Bagawa. Good. Chicken, ache Bagawa. Looking chicken, nice.
Zinda chicken.
Good. Chinese name chicken, Chero. বাগনের নাম কি জানেন? চেজো। চেজো, চেজো। Yes, yes. চেজো। Chinese তুমবে দামি। আই খাওয়া। Very, very good.
Chinese kami khati to.
Yes, yes, yes. খাওয়া start. খাওয়া, খাওয়া। Weather is very hot, but already this water opening. Shundi jai my prayer family just by looking. My this almost opening. This is a black safety. Water is opening very problem. Just by looking, almost black paper. This is safety. Almost opening. Shundi ma jai man. This almost water opening. Every year family just by looking. Job opening. Family looking, I'm guys almost opening. Dun dun dun. Very fair, nice. Yes, weather is very good. Shuni jai me. Shuni jai me almost Pago mama is Thai uncle Abdul is almost Kade job is very good. Every year family just looking, I'm guys almost opening. No problem. Bagawa, sure? Taj Mahal, beautiful, huh? কত সুন্দর দেখা যাচ্ছে আমার তো, হ্যাঁ?
সুন্দর আকাশ মেঘলা।
ফোনের মধ্যে দেখো তোমার কত সুন্দর দেখা যাচ্ছে ক্যামেরার মধ্যে। বিউটিফুল, ভেরি বিউটিফুল। Wow, Koima. It's a big, very Fiadanga, beautiful. Oh my, everyone say, everyone say, I say, job is okay, right? Right. Shouldn't I say, man? Hataki, Bagoma, Abdulamo, the uncle.
Money.
Had almost how many? Almost I say 7 the job.
7 days.
My money is opening, no problem. Almost this is a Bangla book looking. Every year family just for name. Every job, this time is almost opening. Shuni jai every year family just for looking. Thai uncle, Abdul uncle, Pogo uncle, Titi almost 4 people. This is 700 taka every day. And this is for this my this Soidul Mamu. This is almost Habib. Almost 2 people 7 day 3,500 taka. And every day 500 taka. Sati there. Very good. Okay, Bhagavan. Okay, 5,000.
Thank
So, Maruti sir, you how much? You save the job money. 100 change my. Okay.
Okay.
This is almost 4,900 টাকা শুনে দেবেন 4 people. Hi uncle. Okay. Dos for today.
Thank you.
Welcome. For Shwedru mama. Okay. Okay mama. Okay. For Abib. Thank you. Mr. Abib. Welcome. Uncle is almost opening. Wow. Sick. Everyone. Yes. I know this is almost a 7 the job every people. Might is give you this one big one piece. Okay. Sam guy this one piece. Okay. No problem. Every family just try looking. Titi.
Thank you.
Welcome. Abdul Amo.
Thank you.
Welcome. Bhagoma. Thank you. Welcome Bhagoma. What is Habib? Thank you. Welcome. Uncle. What is Shwedru mama? Welcome, most welcome, no problem. Wow! This is ice cream. Yeah. Very good, huh? Bhagoma, you some is no? Okay? Yeah. Hey, some is no, right? Bhagoma. Very good.
Look amor.
Very ice. Thai uncle, very ice. Very cool. Thai uncle, this cool this problem. Shundi na jaye main. I know. Okay, lelo khawa okay, Thai uncle. Yes. Small. খুব সুস্বাদু Bhagoma, this meal, this yellow, this eating, this sugar, right? Two quality same ধরা চলে নাকি? Big hot weather গেল, water open weather গেল নাকি?
সুন্দর আছে
সুন্দর
খুব
আছে।
সুন্দর আমি বলবে না দেওয়া বলে আমার
রাতে থাকতো রাতে খাইল হ্যাঁ
খুব good ice cream. Every year same to me. Oh, nice. Thank you. Really. Every year family. I'm going almost all everything is opening. I'm going almost very happy. Really.
মামা খাই কি পারে
একবারে
আরে ভাগনা মানুষ কি
very good. Nice. Thank you. Every year family for just looking. I'm going almost opening. Okay. I've almost 7 the jobs on the day. Every year family might say almost I'm opening. Opening every year family. Every year family. Thank you. Take care. Bye. Okay. Bye. Almost my new home opening is space. Every year family just for looking. I'm gonna very miss you this view. Wow, nice. This is Asman view. Very clear. And my life almost very important. My daughter became so very. But my every year family. This every family. This is my life. Very good person. Thank you so much. Every year family for example is like here, like accept and my life. This almost this actually. Every year family for just looking to my is almost opening. That's almost my baby so much almost okay. Chicken. This is chita matta. This is tami. This is my new home almost order people for this open space. Ilo, alo, 1 floor, 2 floor. All everything finishing job occasion there. Opening side almost from side. This is almost 3 space almost all everything job finishing occasion there. Other almost opening side 4 space new start. Very fair there. Almost I'm going to opening. Very excited to really. Almost a new home ready there, man. Very fair. Jamshi, my brother, thank you so much. I'm almost a dinner occasion there, no problem. Almost time got all everything say food cow opening very good. This is almost a chita batta. I'm going to say very like chita batta almost I'm going to finish. Take care. Good night. Bye. See you. Vinod bye.
然后我就是把很多国内比较专业的，就从事建筑方面的这个很多朋友的评论啊，就是说他们盖房子盖的很好的这个话告诉了他们，他们都很开心啊，更加用力的用心的来建这房子了。 后来我干脆也不催他们盖房的进度了，盖的确实是很棒的一栋房子，那么就 OK 了。我是这么想的啊，原本想发薪日当天呢，让卡卡买一条牛腿，到时候大家一起吃。而且我要全程跟他打视频，监督着他买，不然的话，他们都为了节省费用的话，会，他们吃主食吃的多，吃菜吃的少，特别吃肉吃的少，他们就会省。每次我让卡大家一起聚餐的时候，卡跟他们一起都点的很少，包括上一次吃火锅点的也很少，所以说。到时候我想买一条牛腿，大家觉得合适吗？那我们在新房子里面庆祝一下。你看这段时间他们都请卡吃饭，请卡吃饭就相当于请我俩吃饭，因为我俩不在孟加拉国嘛。我在孟加拉国的话，肯定天天都邀请我们去他们家去哪里做客吃饭了。可以，大家觉得如何？好了，我们这条视频来拍这里了，我们就下个视频见啦，拜拜。